Are you worried that the holidays are gonna make you jiggle like a bowl full of jelly? Well, I've got the answer to a jiggle-free Christmas. Hi guys, this is Paige Waters. I'm a VIP leader with It Works Global, and I have some really awesome news for you today. Our Christmas packs are back through the end of the year, and I'm so excited to go over one of them with you now. The Here Comes Skinny Claus pack has got everything you need to stay jiggle-free this Christmas. Tighten, tone, and firm with our ultimate body applicator and secure it with this easy-to-use fab wrap. And keep your skin hydrated all winter long with the Stretch Mark cream. Fire up your metabolism with the ThermoFit before those big meals. And if you happen to indulge a little too much, you can take the Fat Fighters and it'll help absorb some of those fat and carbs that you eat. And the best part, if you thought our loyal customer program was great, you're gonna get an additional 30% off those prices. So get your Here Comes Skinny Claus pack on my website or call us toll free, and the number is on the screen. Have a very Merry Christmas. Do the stresses of the holidays make you feel like an overworked elf? Well, I have a dynamic duo that's gonna kick out the stress just in time for the holidays. My name is Paige Waters. I'm a VIP leader with It Works Global, and I have some awesome news for you today. Our Christmas packs are out now through the end of the year, and I'm gonna share one with you right now. This is the Grinch-free holiday pack, and it has Confianza, which is our all-natural stress relief. It's gonna keep you sharp and focused and stress-free throughout the holidays. Next is our Greens on the Go. It comes in an easy, convenient package. It's 8 servings in fruits and vegetables. And when you're out shopping and you still have half a day left, this is gonna get you through that day. You just put it in a bottle of water, shake it up, and you drink it, and good to go for the rest of the day. So if you thought our loyal customer prices were great, you're gonna get an additional 30% off those prices with these holiday packs. You can get the Grinch-free holiday pack at my website, or you can call toll-free at the number on the screen. Have a very Merry Christmas. Are you scared that your belly is gonna end up looking like Santa's over the holidays? Well, let's keep St. Nick away before the holidays even begin. My name is Paige Waters, and I'm a VIP with It Works Global. And I have some really exciting news for you today. Our Christmas packs are back, and I want to share one of them with you right now. The Yule Tighten Greetings Pack is a surefire way to keep Santa away. Tighten, tone, and firm with the Ultimate Body Applicator. You're going to keep it in place with the easy-to-use fab wrap, and in between wrapping, you'll use the defining gel to enhance your wrap results. And if you thought our loyal customer program was already amazing, you're gonna get an additional 30% off those prices. So get your Yule Tighten Greetings package on my website today, or you can call the toll-free number listed on the screen. Have a very Merry Christmas. Are you looking for glowing skin this Christmas? Well, listen up, because I have the package that's gonna give you everything you need for glowing, radiant skin. My name is Paige Waters. I'm a VIP leader with It Works Global, and I'm so excited because our Christmas packs are out now through the end of the year, and I'm gonna share with you this package right here. This is the Merry Clean and Bright pack, and you are gonna get the cleanser, which is an amazing cleanser. It's soap-free, it won't dry your skin out, it'll take care of that stubborn makeup as well. Next is the exfoliating peel. The peel will leave your face feeling renewed, it'll get rid of all the impurities, and it will leave you with that radiant glow that you're looking for. The facial is a deep hydrating mask. When I use it, my skin feels hydrated for an entire week after using it. So you can pick up Merry Clean and Bright on my website, or you can call toll-free at the number on the screen, and you have yourself a very Merry Christmas.